Hello, myself Shiva Bhardwaj. I'm working as a scientific officer in Ganesh Diagnostic Private Limited. So here I'm explaining about the what is COVID or coronavirus. So it's a COVID. COVID is a pandemic disease. So it's spread by the worldwide. It's caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It attack on our respiratory system. So it's an airborne disease, so spread by one person to another person by direct contact of respiratory droplet of infected person. If the person is positive, it shows the symptom within the 1 to 14 days like cold, fever, nausea, body pain, throat pain, etc. So sometimes we can see some patient is positive but it's not showing the symptoms. So it's condition called asymptomatic condition. Here to confirm whether a person is positive or negative, we can do the three type of test. First is RT-PCR test, and second is antibody screening, third one is antigen test. So RT-PCR, and for antigen test we need a nasal and throat swab for accurate result, and for antibody screening we need a blood sample or any sample type like serum, plasma, etc. So in RT-PCR is a real-time PCR. Here we can check the genetic material, which is RNA. It's bind to the protein on coronavirus. So according to the result, we can judge the patient and we can take the history also, whether a person is previously infected or not. So according to guidelines of ICMR, we guide the patient like wear the gloves, wear the mask, and maintain the social distancing, and sanitize your work area, sanitize your home and yourself first. So antigen test is a rapid test. It's a quick test. Patient can check the result like whether he is positive or negative, can do at their home, and lab also we do in lab. Third is antibody test, where we check the patient immunity, is it working or not. For COVID RT-PCR or antigen test or antibody screening test, we provide a home collection service in our center. So you can book our website also.